This is transformer EMF. Uh, this transformer and motional EMF having consider the connection between EMF and electric field. We may examine how Faraday's law links electric and magnetic field. For a circuit with a single turn, N equal to 1. So the transformer of electromagnetic field represent minus d psi by dt. In terms of E and B, this can be written as V EMF equal to minus d by dt integration B into ds, where psi has been replaced by integration of B into ds, and S is the surface area of the circuit bounded by the closed path L. It is clear that from the equation that in a time varying situation both electric and magnetic fields are interrelated. The variation of flux with time by having a stationary loop in a time varying B field, by having a time varying loop area in a static B field, by having a time varying loop area in a time varying B field. Each of these will be considered separately. This EMF induced by the time varying current producing the time varying B field in a stationary loop is often referred to as transformer EMF in power analysis, since it is due to a transformer action by applying Stokes theorem to the middle term. Before the applying Stokes theorem, we have to see the basic transform equation E equal to 4.44 pi n volts. Then E2 equal to 4.44 pi n2 volts. N is number of turns in primary, n2 is number of turns in secondary. Then pi maximum flux according to Faraday's law, E equal to n into d by dt. N equal to 1, so we can get E equal to 4 pi f. Form factor in the sense RMS value by average value. Already we know the constant value of RMS 1.11 star into average value EMF per turn equal to 1.11 into 4f pi. So EMF E equal to 4.44 f pi n. The transformation ratio is K equal to V2 by V equal to N2 by N equal to I by I2. Motional EMF, the sense when a conducting loop is moving in a static B field, an EMF is induced in the loop. We recall that the force and a charge moving with uniform velocity U in a magnetic field B. So the conductor moves across the magnetic field is called motional EMF. Consider the wire conductor moving with velocity V. Then the potential difference is EMF. EMF is work done per unit charge force in the magnetic field is equal to F equal to Q into V star B. EMF equal to Q into V star B star I by Q into EMF. So at last we can get B IV sin theta. If we consider a conducting loop moving with uniform velocity U as consisting of large number of free electrons, The EMF induced in the loop is VEMF equal to integration of U into B into dl. This type of EMF is called motional EMF or flux cutting EMF because it is due to motional action. It is the kind of EMF found in electrical machines such as motors, generator and alternator. Although the analysis of the DC machine is beyond the scope of these notes, we can see that voltage is generated as the coil rotates within the magnetic field. Another example of motional EMF is where a rod is moving between a pair of rails. In this example, B and U are perpendicular to Fm equal to IL into Bi. So VEMF equal to UBL, Fm equal to ILB. Then moving loop in time varying field. This is the general case in which a moving conducting loop is in a time varying magnetic field. Both transformer EMF and motional EMF are present. Combining motional and transformer EMF gives the total EMF as del cross E equal to minus dou B by dou T plus del cross U into B. Then this transformer conductor is very essential to apply all those transmission line and electrodynamic field, where N is the number of turns in the circuit. So flux through each turn. The negative sign in the transformer equation shows that the induced voltage act in such a way as to oppose the flux producing in it. The induced magnetic field produced by the induced current will oppose the original magnetic field also. We described an electric field as one in which electric charges experience force. The electric field considered so far are caused by electric charge. In such field, the flux lines begin and end to the charges. However, there are other kind of electric field not directly caused by electric charges. These are EMF produced field. Sources of EMF include electric generator, batteries, thermocouple, fuel cell and photovoltaic cell, which all convert non-electrical energy into electrical energy. Consider the electric circuit where the battery is the source of EMF. The electrochemical action to the battery result in an EMF produced field EF due to the accumulation of charge at the battery terminals. An electrostatic field del V also exists. The total electric field at any point is E equal to EF plus EE. Note that EF is 0 outside the battery. EF and EE have opposite direction in the battery, and the direction of EE inside the battery is opposite to the outside. Thank you.